Airquip Heating and Air Conditioning is proud to sponsor News 10 NBC's First Alert live camera network, providing real-time storm tracking and live conditions from across our region. Now, your First Alert forecast with meteorologist Glenn Johnson, featuring Rochester's only live local radar. First Alert Doppler 10.
Well, I'm sorry, go ahead.
I guess normally we would have snow this time of year, possibly, but a lot of rain today. Is that going to change into snow, or are we just going to see more rain?
Well, you know, it's going to be a gradual transition here as we go through the next 10 days. So initially, this is going to be rain as we see it. And the question is going to be, do we get any wet weather as we go into Halloween evening? This is a look at some of the numbers and the statistics that we have on Halloween. Last year, if you remember, we had temperatures in the mid-40s, dropping into the 20s. The snowiest Halloween that we ever saw was back in 1993. That was 2.6 inches of snow. A little difficult to put on those snow boots with the costumes, right? And the wettest was back in 2019. We had over an inch of precipitation. So what do we see for this Halloween? Now, I want to preface this by saying that as we get closer to Halloween evening, Sunday evening, we'll get more information. We'll fine-tune the forecast a little bit more. But right now, it looks like for our little ghosts and goblins, it should be mainly dry. And I think the temperature is going to be near 50, possibly dropping into the 40s. Right now, well, we got kind of soupy weather out there, right? Lots of low clouds, a little bit of fog in some spots. And here's a look at our latest temperatures. 51 in Rochester, 40s in Batavia. Now, you get down towards Canandaigua, skies may begin to brighten a little bit, especially through the southern Finger Lakes. So there'll be some better weather to the south. Take a look at our temperatures for today. I think we're going to be in the 50s across a good portion of the Rochester area. But you go south of Rochester, there's a warm front that's drifting towards western New York. And as it does so, look at some of these temperatures. I think we're going to be into the low 60s, maybe near 70, depending on if we can get that sunshine going. Here's a look at our First Alert Doppler radar. Lots of rain back through the upper Midwest. This low pressure system is going to be passing just to the south of us. So the rain, it is going to be redeveloping. At least for now, it's just a little drizzly here in Rochester and some breaks in the cloud cover when you go south through the southern tier. So take a look at the futurecast as we go through the evening and through the afternoon, I should say. And I think some of these scattered showers are going to make a return as we go into the evening. And then I think we get the showers off and on as we go through the day tomorrow. And then some of this rain will redevelop as we go through Tuesday. So this is going to be an ongoing issue as this low pressure system goes on by. We think it's going to pass just to the south of Rochester. Now, I think there's one day we get some clearing, and this is going to be late, well, we'll say Wednesday night into Thursday, and then you can see the chance of rain goes right back up again. This is going to be Friday and Saturday. This is going to be storm number 2, and this will come in as we go through the end of the week, but I think the rain will taper off and come to an end by Halloween evening. So the weather forecast, again, some patchy drizzle, damp, couple of showers here and there. Skies may brighten south of Rochester, and it'll be a little bit warmer when you get down through the Finger Lakes. Tonight, some showers again, some patchy fog. We're down to about 50. Here's a look at our 10-day. Yeah, rainy at times as we go through the day on Tuesday. I think the sprinkles will end going into Wednesday morning. Thursday's the day. That's where it's going to be nice. Temperature's going to be near 60. And then we get the second round of showers coming in Friday, Saturday. There's Halloween evening. And you can see by the end of our 10-day forecast there, Lynette, that's going into Wednesday, may be cold enough for a little bit of wet snow mixing in.
Oh, no. The day before Halloween, can't have that.
No.
Well, let's take a look at how Wall Street is doing this Monday afternoon.